Welcome to the enchanting highlands of Sri Lanka, a paradise of lush greenery, rolling hills, and cultural richness. In this journey, we invite you to discover the breathtaking beauty and vibrant traditions of the island's upcountry. Our adventure begins in the historic city of Kandy, the last royal capital of Sri Lanka. Nestled amidst verdant mountains, Kandy is home to the revered Temple of the Sacred Tooth Relic, a significant pilgrimage site for Buddhists worldwide. Wander through the bustling streets, visit the beautiful Kandy Lake, and immerse yourself in the colorful cultural performances that showcase the rich heritage of the city. Next, we ascend to the cool climes of NuwaraEliya, fondly known as Little England for its colonial charm and temperate weather. Here, the landscape transforms into a tapestry of emerald tea plantations dotted with quaint cottages and vibrant flower gardens. Visit a tea factory to learn about the intricate process of tea production and savor a cup of the world-renowned Ceylon tea. Stroll through the picturesque Victoria Park and take in the sights of the serene Gregory Lake, perfect spots for relaxation and reflection. Our exploration wouldn't be complete without a visit to the Houghton Plains National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Trek through the cloud forests and open grasslands to reach World's End, a dramatic cliff with awe-inspiring views that extend to the horizon. Encounter diverse wildlife, including samba deer and various bird species in this unique ecological heaven.